Ever wonder why, despite your best efforts, your skin still looks dull or tired? It's not your genes. It's sneaky daily habits that add years to your face without you even realizing. In this video, I'll break down 7 habits you're probably doing every day that prematurely age you and show you exactly how to fix them. Let's get started. Habit 1. Sleeping face down. Most of us crash into bed exhausted. But did you know that how you sleep can wreck your face? Sleeping on your stomach or with your face buried in your pillow, night after night literally creases your skin. Over time, these sleep lines turn into permanent wrinkles and sagging. Plus, you're pressing your face into all the oils and bacteria on your pillowcase. The result? Clogged pores, acne, and those morning puffy eyes. Fix. Train yourself to sleep on your back. Prop a couple of pillows on either side to keep you from rolling onto your stomach, and change your pillowcase at least once a week. Your face will thank you in the morning. Habit 2. Skipping hydration. If you're going through the day sipping only coffee, soda, or nothing at all, your skin is paying the price. When your body is dehydrated, your skin loses its bounce and glow, leaving it dull, flaky, and prone to fine lines. Even your facial contours can look more tired and hollow. Fix. Carry a water bottle and aim for at least 8 cups of water daily. Hydrated skin stays plump and fresh. Water literally plumps up your skin cells, giving you that bouncy, youthful look. Habit 3. Too much sun, not enough protection. Sunlight is a double-edged sword. Yes, a bit of sunshine boosts vitamin D, but too much UV rays are the leading cause of premature aging. Those rays break down collagen, lead to dark spots, and can leave your skin leathery over time. The last thing you want is laugh lines so deep they never fade. Fix. Wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Slip on a hat and sunglasses when you're out, and you'll watch your skin tone even out instead of burning out. Habit 4. Crappy posture, tech neck. Sorry to break it to you, but if you're constantly hunched over a phone or computer, it's showing up on your face. This tech neck posture creates a double chin, horizontal necklines, and a droopy jawline. Over time, looking down at screens weakens the muscles in your neck. The result? A jawline that loses its sharpness. Fix. Sit up straight and lift your device to eye level. Every time you check your phone or type, reset your neck. Pull your shoulders back, lift your chin, and lengthen your spine. Good posture instantly takes years off your appearance. Habit 5. Ignoring your skin routine. One of the biggest mistakes? Skipping the basics of skincare. Maybe you think washing your face or moisturizing is optional, but not washing your face at night leaves dirt and sweat to clog your pores. On the flip side, overwashing with harsh soap or hot water can strip your skin of natural oils, making it red and dry. Both extremes rob your face of a healthy glow. Fix. Use a gentle face wash twice a day, morning and night, and follow up with a light moisturizer. After sweaty workouts, rinse your face to clear out any grime. Simple steps like these keep your skin balanced and smooth, and you'll be amazed how refreshed your complexion looks. Habit 6. Junk food diet. What you put in your mouth definitely shows up on your face. A diet loaded with sugar, refined carbs, and greasy foods triggers inflammation that breaks down collagen and causes puffiness and acne. Those late-night pizzas, soda, or candy bars might taste good, but they cause glycation, sugar molecules binding to collagen, which stiffens your skin and deepens wrinkles. You'll find your cheeks looking puffy and blotchy, not your skincare routine. Fix. Stick to a balanced diet. Fill your plate with veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and cut back on soda and sweets. When you feed your body nutrients instead of junk, your skin stays firm and glowing. Think of it as investing in your face's future. Habit 7. Neglecting grooming details. It might sound minor, but skipping simple grooming tasks can age you fast. Stray nose hairs, bushy eyebrows, an untrimmed beard, or even wearing the same tired t-shirt every day all draw attention to flaws. These things aren't about genetics, they're about habits. When you look sloppy, your overall appearance suffers, and you end up looking older and more tired. Fix. Take a moment each day to tidy up. Trim nose and ear hair, keep eyebrows neat, and maintain your beard or hairstyle. Even small grooming habits like these make a big difference in how young and confident you look. These 7 habits might seem harmless, but they chip away at your youthful look over time. The good news? You can fix them starting today. Work on even a few of these tips and you'll start noticing a firmer jawline, clearer skin, and more confidence in just a few weeks. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips. Let me know in the comments which habit shocked you the most. Thanks for watching, and stay glowing.